Did you know that the future of AI infrastructure is not just Python, it's Rust? And the tool behind it is Cargo, Rust's powerful package manager. Cargo is the official package manager for the Rust programming language, and it connects to the registry crates.io, which contains more than 150,000 Rust packages called crates. Rust is becoming extremely popular in AI and cloud infrastructure because it offers high performance, safety, and low memory usage. Many modern AI tools are now built with Rust. For example, UV, a Rust-based Python package manager that is 10 to 100 times faster than pip. Qdrant, a high-performance vector database used for similarity search in AI systems. Candle, a Rust machine learning framework by Hugging Face for running LLM models efficiently. Delta.rs, a Rust implementation of Delta Lake used for high-performance AI datasets. Tokyo, an async runtime used to build high-concurrency AI inference servers. Axum and Actix Web, ultra-fast Rust frameworks for building low-latency AI APIs. Polars, a data frame library that is 5 to 10 times faster than Pandas. And Rough, a Rust-based Python linter that is 100 times faster than traditional tools. Developers manage these tools using cargo commands like cargo new to create a new project, cargo add to install dependencies, cargo build/release to create optimized production binaries, cargo test to run tests, cargo publish to release packages to crates.io. Real-world AI platform example. In a real AI production platform, many package managers work together. Terraform creates infrastructure, Conda prepares the AI development environment, pip installs Python libraries, Docker packages the application, Helm deploys it to Kubernetes, Argo CD manages GitOps deployments, Kada automatically scales AI agents, NPM powers the dashboard, Go tools extend the platform, and Cargo powers the high-performance Rust tooling behind the scenes. So, if you want to build faster AI infrastructure, Rust and Cargo are becoming essential tools. Follow for more videos on AI engineering, cloud platforms, and modern developer tools.